2011 Ford Crown Victoria. Beautiful purplish blue, kind of. Actually dark blue, depending on how the sun hits it. Really nice car. Police interceptor. So it's gonna sound good. Got factory 4 converters on these cars. 2 here, 2 there. Then a factory H-pipe there. Then it's true dualed after that. Then we took the 2 mufflers off and put you guys some Flowmaster Outlaws. Because, you know, why not? There and there. Then it's got factory tailpipes on each side, 2-inch. And we put some whopping 4-inch tips on it to finish out the look. Make them out really nice, really clean. Today's really windy, guys, so hope you guys can hear it well. Sorry about the wind. We got a muffle and everything on it, but I don't know if it's working. Anyways, there's the 2 mufflers that we cut off right there. That's what it looks like after. Hope you guys like it. Let us know what you think. Flowmaster Outlaws. That sounds really nice. Your sound decibels? Again? That came out nice. Go ahead and back it up. Again? It's so windy, I'm trying to get close. Ford Crown Vic with Flowmaster Outlaws and 4-inch tips. Get on it! Yeah! That sounds really nice. It's clean. 2013 Lexus GS350. As you guys can see right there. Beautiful little car. Got factory converters up there and up there. It's got some secondary converters right there. Then it's got a factory X-pipe right there, Toyota's version or Lexus's version. It's really slim. Huh. Anyways, then factory resonators there and there. He didn't want it too loud, and then we did a rear muffler delete there and there, as you guys can see out the back. And it's got built-in tips. If he wants new tips, he's gonna have to change that valence or rear diffuser, as you guys can see right there. The 2 stock mufflers are right there. That's the factory mufflers that come on it that we just cut off. That's what it looks like after, right there. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. What do you think? Is that exactly what you wanted, or you want louder? Hey, get it louder. My kind of guy. Yeah. Again? It's not bad. It's deep. Here's sound decibels. Again? Yeah, it's still under 100, man. It's still quiet. You gotta change those. You gotta change those resonators. Either straight pipe them or cut them off. Go ahead and back it up. It's still got a deepness to it, though. Yeah. Not bad. Let you guys hear on the inside. GS350 muffler delete. got to get that fixed too. He's going to the body shop next. Oh yeah, baby. Look at that Lexus go. That sounds really nice. Enjoy. 2017 Honda Civic. Not SI or anything, just a Honda Civic. Manual too. That's the fun thing about it. 5-speed or 6-speed. Factory converter up there somewhere shoved away. Then we kept the factory resonator right there. 2-inch pipe all the way back. Then it wires out and we dualed it out with, it comes dualed out into 2 mufflers that we cut off right there. And then 3-inch tips out the back, all on each side, just to complete the look, give it a little bit of style. This is the mufflers that come on it. They're turn downs on each side, there and there. We cut those off, these ones right here, guys, so you know, and replace them. Made it look a lot nicer, a lot cleaner. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. It's still quiet. Today's quiet day. Here's sound decibels. Again. Right at 86. Yeah, 86. Go ahead and back it up. You want it louder? Oh, it's good. You like it? All right. He likes it. Again? That's deep. It's perfect. Let you guys hear on the inside. Barely anything. Wow. 2003 Chevy Avalanche Z71 right there, as you guys can see. What we got done on it for you guys: factory converters there and there, Y into a single there. Then it had a knockoff MagnaFlow on it. It wasn't loud enough, so we cut it off and put him a Flowmaster Super 10 843-0152. Then we reused his tailpipes and put him some new tips on each side, there and there. Some black angle cut 4-inch there and right there. There's the tips that were on it. There's the knockoff MagnaFlow that's on it that we cut off. Looks so much better, a lot cleaner. I'll let you guys hear it in a second, and like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe by making it sound good. Now it's throaty. You like it? Yeah. Here's sound decibels. Again. Right at 104, bro. That's perfect. It's not too loud, not too quiet. Just nice deep tone. That's clean. You gonna change the color of the wheels? Yeah, that sounds good. Woo! Flowmaster Super 10. It's a really clean truck too, guys, as you guys can see. That sounds nice. Let you guys hear on the inside. Chevy Avalanche Flowmaster Super 10. Woo, baby.